Hi, I'm Brooke Holland. I'm the president of Tri Delta here at Denison.
Hi, I'm Millie. I'm the vice president of membership. We wish you guys could be doing a house tour in person, but this is COVID time, so this is the best we can do. We hope you get to see a bit about what it's like to be down here at the house and you enjoy seeing everything and get excited for recruitment.
Let's go inside. Welcome inside the house.
We love coming down to the house just to hang out with our friends, our sisters, do homework, bake, do things for upcoming events. We're gonna walk you guys around and you'll see some people down here just kind of doing what we usually do around here. Yeah, let's get excited. So in here we have some people working on stamping letters. We just did a letter writing campaign where we all sent 20 letters to people just asking for donations for St. Jude, our philanthropy. So these guys down here are just working hard to get these letters stamped so we can send them out and do all the fundraising we can.
It's a great way for people to spend time together. Also in our newly done kind of family room, main rooms down here. We love spending time in here because of how bright it is and beautiful. We're really proud of this room of our house. Hopefully and soon in the future, our kitchen will be up next to get redone because she's really in need of some love and care.
We're gonna take you guys upstairs. There's a couple fun rooms up here. Some of our coziest spots. This is one of the rooms upstairs. She's also one of the new renovated rooms. It's a really good place just to hang out and like feel at home, do your homework, be cozy. It's one of our favorite spots.
It's really nice to have a place to come do homework that's not the library or like an academic space, just to kind of get a sense of home here at Denison. So this is more of like our family room upstairs. Also a good spot to do homework, but really is a great place for snuggling up on the couch with you and your sisters. We love coming up here and just kind of finding a space upstairs, nice and dark, to kind of cozy up and just find an escape sometimes from all the stress that can come with school. It's just a great little space to come and maybe take a nap and hang out.
So when it's not weird in COVID times, we usually come down to the house every Sunday for chapter and kind of just like snuggle in this room up here, but since things have been a little bit different, we've been doing chapter a little bit differently.
So what we've done is we split the house into these 3 triads of people into safe numbers so that we could all come together in person and just see each other's faces, which is so nice and important during these harder times. So today we have the blue triad down at the house, and the way it works is we keep everybody outside and everyone sits with their roommates or people they come into contact with a lot. So today we're having former chapter down at the house, which gives everyone a chance to dress up a little bit nicer and come together for a nicer meal that's paid for by the house, and we all sit outside, spend time together, get a little fresh air while enjoying a nice meal and discussing the week we have ahead.
Thank you guys so much for coming along. We wish you guys could have been down here and like had a feel for the house and been able to come in, but we hope you guys got a good idea of what it's like and got to see a little bit of the excitement that happens down here. We're so excited for recruitment. We're so excited to meet you guys, and we hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, have an awesome rest of your day. We hope you enjoyed your time here at Tri Delta.
Thank you.